Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Acapella. Thank you for joining me again. Today, I'm going to be doing another song in my language, Igbo, called Lota. This is, I think, a beautiful song. I learned it in boarding school, and it is a song that basically paints the portrait of a parent asking a child to please come back home because they're lost in the world. And it reminds me of the story of the prodigal son in the Bible, where the father is asking the son to come back home, is eagerly awaiting his son to come back. And when he comes back home, he welcomes him back with open arms. And so just know as you listen to this song that our Heavenly Father loves us very much and always wants us to be with Him. I pray that you are blessed. Also, if you know this song, you will notice that I did a little tweaking to it because I kind of like to tweak these songs. So I hope that you enjoy it. Stay blessed, stay safe, everyone, and I will see you next time. Bye.
Iwambe fufuruza nijegi Lota, Lota bola Obonye wine Jesus na wagita Lota, Lota